Now, in this video, we're going to create downloadable products. And this downloadable product can be anything from audio files to PDFs, basically anything that your customers are going to want to pay to download. So let's get into it. First, we're going to go to Manage Products, and then we're going to click Add New Product. We're going to leave the attribute set as default, and then we're going to select Downloadable Product. I'm going to click Continue, and the name is going to be Serial Number. And this is maybe a serial number to an application to unlock it or something. This isn't anything automatically generated, however it is just a text document with some text. So I'm going to set this to be status enabled, then no tags, and that looks good for the general information. For price, this license is going to cost $5, nothing fancy here. And then now, again, I don't really have an image for this considering it's a downloadable product. However, you very well may have images for your downloadable products. And maybe if it's an album of songs, you would have the album cover or something like that. Now, the next important one is inventory. Because this is downloadable, I'm going to uncheck this Use Config settings and say no to manage stock. However, you're more than welcome to have the system manage stock on virtual items if you only want a limited number of them to be sold. Now, we want it to show up in the main store, and just for consistency's sake, we'll say it's showing up in hats, only because we don't have a fitting category and it's not worth creating one at this point. However, in your own site, you of course would create a category for whatever downloadable type of product this is. Now, the next thing we need to go to is downloadable information here at the bottom. Here you can see that we have links or samples. But I'm going to change this title from links to serial. And this is going to just be the one text document. However, if you had multiple songs or anything like that in an album, you of course could upload each as an individual row. So I'm going to click Add New Row. And you'll notice that the select list allows you to say whether or not the links individually can be purchased separately. Well, in this case, we're only going to have one. But if you wanted to have multiple files, sure, you might want to have them be able to be purchased individually. So the title is just going to be Serial Number. And in here, we're not going to have a specific price for this. And we're going to say you can download this as much as you want. This is an unlimited amount of downloads. However, if you're concerned about that, you can always say you can only download this product 5 times, 10 times, whatever that number is. And you can say whether this link is shareable with other people that might want to download this. This could protect you again from people sharing the link who haven't purchased it. So we're going to click no. And then for sample, I've actually created a sample of this text document. And I'm going to just add this here. Now I'm going to click this orange button under File. And this is going to be the actual file that they're going to be purchasing. So I'm going to click serial.txt. And now I can click Upload Files, and the files are uploaded. Since these are small files, it only took a second. However, if you have audio files, it may take a minute or two. So we should have our files all set. And now if we click Save, we can browse to our product on the front end. Now, if we go to our product, we head under Hats, we scroll to the bottom, we see serial number here. So now we can see that because we've allowed the customers to purchase these products individually, they can check this to say if they want this serial or not. However, the problem here with the way we set this up was that we had the price at $5, and then we had them ability to check or uncheck which products they want. And this serial number has no cost to it. So, if somebody tried to purchase this product and didn't have the serial number selected, they would essentially be paying $5 for nothing. So, if we come back to our product here, we want to set the price at the serial number to be $5, and we can set this price to be $0. Now, if we save this, refresh our product, now when we select this, it's actually going to add the $5, and you can see that they're purchasing the serial number. Now, if we want to see the sample, all you have to do is click the sample, and you can see this is a doc downloaded from Magento. And so this is the sample text file that I created that goes along with this product. However, your samples can be anything from short snippets of songs to one page of a PDF, basically anything that you want that could represent the thing that they're purchasing. So that's great. It looks like we have our digital download all ready to go. So now that we've created all of our types of products, the next step is troubleshooting. In the next video, we're going to go over what to do when you don't see your product showing up.